Hi guys, Manishri. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 2 of Volunteer Travel. First one was in Udaipur. I'll link it up here and in the description. And today is episode 2 where I'm volunteering for Zostel Pondicherry, and I'm right now in the property and it's my first day as a volunteer. So I'm going to take you through a day in my life as a volunteer and how it looks like. So I am right now in Zostel, Pondicherry. It's actually in Auroville Road, and there are a lot of cafes nearby at walking distance. But Pondicherry is a 20 to 30 minute drive from here. But you can rent out scooties here easily, and I got my scooty rented by Zostel itself, and that was complimentary. And also the stay and food is complimentary for me as a volunteer, but I have to pay for my travel. So my travel costed around 1,760 for one way train. I took a 33-hour train journey from Mumbai to Pondicherry, and from Pondicherry to Auroville, to Zostel Auroville, I told them to arrange an auto. That costed around 450. I had to pay for that too. So I think the total cost of my travel is around 4,000 as of now, 4,000 to 5,000. And but stay and food is complimentary, which is like a big win because उसमें ज़्यादा पैसा जाता है. And food तो यहाँ पे कैफ़े है, जॉसल का कैफ़े है, and their dishes are like comparatively a bit expensive, but it's free for me, so yes. But if you have to roam around, you have to take a scooty, rent it out, and go around. That's what I'm doing with another volunteer who is here. So we have been living this slow life and taking one day at a time, exploring the city at our own pace. So to give you a context of what I'm volunteering as is as a content creator for Zostel. So I'm going to be shooting reels for them in and around Zostel. So inside Hostel, what I'm going to shoot is the community activities that they do, like all the games that they arrange and stuff. And outside Hostel, I'm going to show what tours they, conduct, like the Sadhana Forest tour that I'm going to go today. And hopefully the drum circle that happens every Thursday. That's an interesting thing, and I hope to catch that today. Also, while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel because you will get to see more such volunteer travel content this year, and also slow travel life videos across India. Today is my last day, and I didn't expect that I would be so sad to leave this place because this place showed me that home isn't a place, it is strangers who become into family. So, in the span of 7 days, I met like a variety of people. I have gone out every day with new bunch of people, random strangers, and random last minute plans, and they were so good. Each day kept getting better. First day, I went to the beach, some hidden beach, and then cafe, and then the usual touristy spots. And last night, we had a mafia night till 5 a.m.
Last night, longest it was like so. Mafia killed someone. No, be giving it a doctor saved. That guy. What happened? Always is like coming. Before the game started, before the game started, he's coming. Before the game started, I swear my life on this line. Life what? Because life was game. Yeah, bro. It's exhausting. What do you want? Who was the forward first? Then it's already 5. It's already 5. I think everyone wants to. Yeah. Okay, we would like 5 lakh. Give me more. Okay. Want to? We'll take it 5 lakh. Okay, fine. If you not want, you are the next time I'll call. Okay, voting close. You're dead? Voting close. Okay. Easy mafia.
And then we directly headed for the sunrise at a beach, and we got back at the hostel by 7:30 in the morning. None of us slept the whole night, and I mean, oh my god, I'm just loving this hostel life. That's why I love hostel so much, and I'm so glad I volunteered here because I first of all, I mean, to be honest, I really thought that Oracle में क्या ही है मतलब करने को कुछ नहीं है यार. So I might like end up like just sitting inside the hostel, but inside this hostel itself there were like a lot of things to do, like having conversation with random strangers every day, meeting like I met total of like 30 people, and like a variety of languages, states, profession, everything was like polar opposites. Like wow, I'm just mind blown, seriously. So yeah, it's so hard to leave because we all bonded really quick, and I don't know, I might cry because oh my god, it's like my best solo trip ever, best volunteering opportunity ever, and I want to do this again. Like leading people to places at random hours with random people, like to random location, and it's like everyone says yes in like a jiffy, and then we are suddenly like 18 people going to a beach for sunset and having filter coffee somewhere, whichever cafe is open. I never imagined in my life that I would be doing this, and that too in Oroville. So yes, oh my god, this is too good, and the people here are too good inside this hostel, especially the staff. They are very friendly, and I had like the best time here thanks to them. And yes, oh my god. So if any of you watched till here, till the end, then let me tell you that if you even thought for a second that I should probably volunteer, then please don't give it a second thought. Just go for it because you will thank me and thank yourself like 100 times because you got to do this once in your life. Life is short. Please experience this. You get to meet a lot of people, like explore random offbeat places in odd hours, and it's just worth it. And if you have even a weekend, if you have a week, if you have a month, if you have a work from home job, then please do this. It's an experience. It's not just for the CV, it's just an experience you need to have once in your life. And it's like travel, except travel, uh the food and stay cost is like taken care of. So और क्या चाहिए यार लाइफ में, कर लो यार एक बार, ट्रस्ट मी एंड गो फॉर दिस. And if you like this video, please give this video a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel, because you will see a lot of volunteering opportunities in the future. This year, probably more of them at Zostel or other hostels. So yes, thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you in the other video. Bye.